Very good morning. Yeah. So matrices and determinants. I have explained this problem in the previous video, but then let us resolve this again. Okay. So here we are supposed to present this following linear equations in the form of matrices. So here we have linear equations given. That is, linear equations are equations with the degree 1. Okay, if you see here, the x to the power 1 and y to the power 1. Okay, these are called as linear equations. Now here 2x plus 5y is equal to 18. 3x plus 6y is equal to 24. This is what is the numbers we have. Now in matrices, we will be considering not the variables but the coefficients. Now 2x, for x this is a variable and 2 is a coefficient, correct? So we are going to consider the coefficients and we are going to form the matrix. So for the first two equations, the matrix is going to be, open the brackets, 2x, leave a little space, and then 5y. Don't write x and y. 2, 5. Next, 3 for the second equation, 3x and 6y. Okay. And then this will be one matrix because this is on the left hand side. There is equal to in between. Okay. Now on to the right hand side, put a equal to sign. And if you see here, the constant are 18 and 24. So this is going to be the other matrix. So we are just taking coefficients of the variables, and then on the other side only the constants, only numbers should be considered here from linear equations into the matrix. Understood? Understood this first problem? Yes? Okay. Now let us go to the next problem. Now in the next problem, again similar way, we have to form the matrix. But here we have three equations. So first one is going to be 5x, leave a little space, 3y, give a little space again, 2z. Okay, 5x, 3y and 2z. Next, 6x, 7y, 1z. If you don't have any number, then 1 is the coefficient, 1z. Then 1x, 1y, 1z, because xyz doesn't have any other coefficient, so 1, 1 and 1. Close the brackets. Now on to the other side are the constants, that is nothing but 18, 20 in the second row, minus 5 in the third row. So constants onto the one side. So did you all understand this? Any doubts in this problem? Okay. Now moving on to the next problem, we are supposed to find the order of the matrix. Now the order of the matrix means the number of rows that are present and the number of columns that are present in the matrix. Okay, that is called as order of the matrix. Now if you see the first matrix here, you have 1, 2. So there are 2 rows and 1, 2, there are 2 columns. Okay, and whenever you write the order of the matrix, it will be in the form of m into n, where m is the rows and n is the columns. So row into column is the order that you have to follow. Now how many number of rows do we have in this A matrix? We have 2 rows. Correct, Anusha. We have 2 rows and we have 2 columns. Okay, we can either call this as 2 into 2 matrix, or it is also called as 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so 2 by 2. This is one form of calling the matrix, or you can just call it as 2 into 2 matrix. Okay, now similarly, say me how many rows are there in matrix B for this one. How many rows are there? Rows are from left to right. So how many rows are there here? 2 rows, 1 and 2. I want everybody to answer. So there are 2 rows. How many columns are there? Columns are from up to down. So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 columns. So it is a 2 by 3 matrix. Rows into columns. Understood? Now say me for matrix C. How many rows and how many columns are there? Correct. 1 row and 1 column. So it is 1 into 1 matrix. Good. Now for D, how many rows? First say me how many rows? 3 rows. And the number of columns are also 3 only. So it's a 3 into 3 matrix. See, knowing the order of the matrix is very, very important, because when you solve any sort of problem, if you get mixed up with the order of the matrix, especially in multiplication, you will go wrong. So be very careful. By knowing order of the matrix, it will be easy for you to solve the problems. Now, can we go to the next problem? Yes, can we go to the next problem then? Good. Now, the next problem is if 3420 is equal to 3x2y, find x and y. So there are 2 matrices which are equal. How do we know it is equal? Because there is a equal to sign given here. So this matrix is equal to the other matrix. Now we had learned that there is something called as equality of matrices. So in that, we are going to check each and every element to be equal to the other matrix. So we are going to use the same equality of matrix in this problem, and we'll be finding out what is the value of x and what is the value of y in this matrix. Okay, so the answer is very, very easy here. You just have to write by equality of matrix or matrices. Sorry, equality of matrices. Okay, x is equal to y is equal to. Now let us compare both the matrix. The first element is 3 here. The first element is 3 here also. Okay, now here the first column, second element is 2 and it is 2. Now in the here if they have given 4, but here it is x. So now when I say equality of the matrix, it means both the matrices are same. So in the place of x, there is 4. So I can equate this x to 4. So therefore, x is equal to 4. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and then y is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the matrix that we'll have to find. So this is find X and Y. So this is matrix X and Y. So did you all understand this? Okay, so this is equality of a matrix. Okay, now moving on to the next problem. Here also we will be using equality of matrix, but then we have addition being added here. So in addition, what will happen is we will be adding up the corresponding values. Corresponding values means, see, you have X here and then you have 5 here. So these are corresponding elements. Then you have 7. In the place of 7 in the other matrix, you have Y. Okay. So first we will be doing the addition part and then we will be equating that to the constants that is given to us. Okay. So let us start. Now here we have X7 plus and then 5Y is equal to 15 and 11. Okay. Now in this case what will happen is we will be adding first. So by addition X plus 5, here 7 plus Y is equal to 15 and 11. Okay, did you all understand the step? We are just adding the corresponding values X and 5, 7 and Y. Okay, we are just adding that. And then we equate that to 15 and 11 that is given to us. Did you all understand? Now, by equality of matrices, by equality of matrices, X plus 5 is equal to 15 because corresponding value for X plus 5 is 15 and 7 plus Y is equal to 11. So if you see here, X plus 5, the corresponding value is 15. 7 plus 5, 7 plus Y, the corresponding value is 11. Now solve this. X is equal to 15 minus 5. Y is equal to 11 minus 7. So therefore, X is equal to 10 and Y is equal to 4. Okay, so X is equal to 10 and Y is equal to 4. So we found out both X as well as Y. Clear? Understood this problem? Yes? Good. Now, let us do one more similar problem and you have to solve and say me the answer. Okay. Now, it's a very similar problem where you have if X and 6 is one matrix plus 7 and Y is the other matrix, which is equated to 14 and 8. Now, find X and Y. Find X and Y and say me the value. X is equal to 8 and y is equal to 1. No, Anusha. Check the answer. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. Correct, Imran. Okay. So first you have x and 6 plus 7 y is equal to 14 and 8. Yeah, correct. X is equal to 7, y is equal to 2. Now add them. X plus 7, 6 plus y is equal to 14 and 8. This was by addition. Now, by equality of a matrix, x plus 7 is equal to 14, 6 plus y is equal to 8. So x is equal to 14 minus 7, y is equal to 8 minus 6. So therefore, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. This will be your answer. Understood? Any doubts in this problem? Yes or no? Any doubts here? Can we go to the next problem? Okay. Now the next problem is they have asked us to do the addition and subtraction, and then we have scalar multiplication. Now let us see one by one. Now the first matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now if you see here, you have 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is a 2 into 3 matrix. Yeah, correct, Arpita. X is equal to 7, y is equal to 2. Okay. So this is known as a 2 into 3 matrix. Similarly, matrix B also is a 2 into 3 matrix. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Now, first we are supposed to find out A plus B. And then we will see what else has to be found. Okay. Now, let us start. Now, here what you are expected to do is, whenever you're solving such problems, write down the matrix what is being asked. Okay. Something like this. So, first one is A plus B is equal to, see, I'm even writing the sub question numbers here. So in examination, that is very important, because if you don't write the sub question number, the evaluator will not know which question you're answering. Okay, so please write the question numbers properly. So A plus B, write down the matrix of A. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Plus, write down the matrix of B. 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6. Okay. Now the next step is you are supposed to add the corresponding values. What does that mean? Now, if I take 1, what is the corresponding value in B? I have 0. So 1 plus 0. Next, 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2. See, if you see here, you have 3 here and 2. So I am adding those two. Okay. Next, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 6. So this is the matrix that I have. Now finally, A plus B is equal to 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, again 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is the final answer for A plus B. Correct, Bindushri? Understood A plus B? Any doubts? Good. Now let us solve A minus B. Now the second one. A minus B is equal to, again write the matrix. Okay, never forget to write the matrix like this, because it is easy for you to understand and solve the problem. And one more thing, when you are copying the matrix from the question to the answer, don't live out or don't copy any number wrongly. Many students do that. Never copy, even while you're copying, double check the numbers or the elements in the matrix, and then only go on with the problem. Because the question would have given some number and the number you have considered in the solution will be different and the answer will go wrong. Okay, so be careful with that. So again we have A and B, which is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 minus the B matrix 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6. Okay, so this is the second one, 3, 2, 6. Now, same step, corresponding values has to be subtracted. Now here, don't see the bigger number should come first. No, whatever numbers are there in A, that has to be subtracted with B. So 1 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 6. Bindushri, you'll get some minus values. Check that. Okay. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. But if you see here, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Again, 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 4 is the smaller number. Okay, so this will be the final answer for A minus B. Okay, clear? Understood this one? A plus B and A minus B. Any doubts? Okay, now what else is left out? We finished A plus B, we finished A minus B. Now 2A plus 3B. Now 2A plus 3B. Yeah. So 2A plus 3B we are supposed to find out. So the third one is 2A plus 3B. Now here we are supposed to find the value of 2A and 3B, and later we will add them. Okay. Now 2A is equal to, this is known as scalar multiplication, where one number is being multiplied throughout the matrix. For all the elements in the matrix, we multiply it with only one number. So 2 into, what is the matrix A? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is a scalar multiplication. Now, how do we multiply this? 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 4 into, okay, what we can do is we'll keep 2 to the one side. So 2 into 3 and 2 into 4. I have just multiplied the whole matrix with 2. All the elements of the matrix is multiplied with 2. Now let us find the final matrix for 2A. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So this is the matrix for 2A. Understood scalar multiplication? Any doubt here? Understood 2A, how to find? Now, next, you are also supposed to find out 3B. Now, can you find 3B and say me the answer? Find out 3B. What is the matrix that you get for 3B? Do you get 3 there? Ravi, check that. Okay, there's some confusion. You are supposed to multiply it with 2. Okay. Okay, let's solve that. 3B is equal to 3 into, what is the B matrix? 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6. Now, multiply. 3 into 0. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0. Okay, not the number. Then 3 into 1, 3 into 2. 3 into 3, 3 into 2, and 3 into 6. So, what will be the 3B? 3 into 0 is 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Then 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. 6 threes are, or 3 six are 18. This is the answer for 3B. Yeah, correct, Anusha. Ravi, just check the calculations and then correct the answer. Okay. Now we have found out 2A and 3B. Now let us add them. So 2A plus 3B is equal to 2A is 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 8 plus 3B is 0, 3, 6, 9, 6, 18. Now can you add both of these and say me the final answer? I'll take this to the next page so that we can do the calculation. So in the next, we are supposed to add them. 2 plus 0, 4 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 4 plus 9, 6 plus 6, 8 plus 18. 2, 7, 12, 13, 12, 26. Correct, Anusha. Now, your 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 3 is 7, 6 plus 6 is 12, 9 plus 4 is 13, 6 plus 6 is 12, 8 plus 18 is 26. So this is the final answer for 2a plus 3b. So did you all understand this? Any doubts in this problem? Okay. Then let us go to the next question. Now the next question is, if A is equal to, they have given us a matrix, and then there is B matrix given. Now we are supposed to find 2A plus 4B and 5B minus 3A. So here again it is a scalar multiplication. So 2 into A matrix and 4 into B matrix. Okay, so let us start. Firstly, we are supposed to find out solution. We are supposed to find out 2A plus 4B. Now here you have to find 2A first. So 2 into A is 0, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4. Now can you find the 2A matrix here quickly? Multiply the number into the matrix and find out. Zero, 4, 2, 0, 4, 12. No. 0, 4 is correct. 12 is wrong. 4, 2, 8. Ravi, please check the calculations. Yeah, 6. Correct. If it is 6, then it is correct. Okay. So 2 into 0, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. Good try. 2 into 2, 2 into 1, and then 2 into 4. So 2A is nothing but 2 into 0 is 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. This is the answer for 2A. Now similarly find for 4B. 4B. 4 into B is 7, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5. Here again 4 into 7, 4 into 6, 4 into 3, 4 into 1, 4 into 4, 4 into 5. So 4b is equal to 4 into 7. So 4 sevens are 28, 4 six are 24, 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. So this is going to be your 4b. Now 2a plus 4b. What is 2a? You have 0, 4, 6, 4, 2, 8 plus 28, 24, 12, 4, 16, 20. Now add this and say me the final answer. Okay, 28, 28. Again, you will get 28 only. 18, 8, 18, 20, 28 again. Last one. Anusha, check that. 2 places, it should be 28. There is no 24. So if you add both of them, 0 plus 28, 4 plus 24, 6 plus 12, 4 plus 4, 2 plus 16, and then